So this is a chest press. We've done incline chest press in another video. This is just a chest press, which basically replicates a bench press, but obviously you're on this angle. So your thought process should be in replicating that position as you would in a bench press. Similar again to the previous video if you've watched it, the incline. The only difference really is the direction that the boom arms go. So you get into position, align the handles with your chest, good pillar alignment, so straight. So if you go too wide like that, I've got W arms, don't want that here. Lock your shoulders back like you would for a bench. Deep breath, and now I'm pushing straight ahead. See how much engagement you can get through your pecs if you squeeze them in. Keep your chest open, breathe in, open up the chest. Breathe out, push, but keeping your shoulders grounded against the bench. Breathe in, breathe out. Cool, and that's the chest press.